This is a CIEN product, AQUA Gel Cream, Face Cream, with glycerin and panthenol for normal and combination skin. Refreshing and moisturizing. This is Liftan Hydro. So let's know the function. Liftan Hydro is an active complex made using essential ingredients designed to help regulate and improve the moisture level of your skin. Liftan Hydro moisturizes your skin and leaves it feeling smooth and supple. This is for your face, sa mukha. So with vitamin E and UV protection combination. Let's review this product. Paano siya gagamitin? First, let's open it. It is 50 ml, made from Germany. First, you have to gentle massage into face and neck every morning and evening after cleansing. So, ilagay mo ito sa mukha mo sa umaga at saka sa gabi after cleansing your face. This is for women. But my husband is also using this one after shaving. Sa lahat ng mga produkto, ito ang gusto niya. Kasi smooth siya at saka mabango siya. Yeah, kasi talaga ito talaga for women. It's not for men. But my husband likes it to use this one. At saka nagdala din ako nito sa Pilipinas. Binigyan ko yung mga kapatid ko na lalaki, nagustuhan din nila kasi maganda siya sa mukha at saka combination siya for vitamin A at saka for UV, for the sun, UV protection. So ito siya, hindi ko pa siya nagamit kasi bago ko siyang bili. So ito siya. Ito siya ang product nila. Yung ito, nagamit ko na. Ito ang dati niyang iba-iba, gina-change nila. They change the sudlanan. So, ito siya ang ginamit namin. Ginamit ko na, sorry. Ito ang ginamit ko na. Buksan natin kung ano siya. So, ito siya. Malapit na siyang maubos. Pero hindi ito siya madaling maubos kasi kunti lang ang gagamitin mo. Kunti lang. At saka, ano mo yan sa mukha. Ano siya? Moisturizer talaga siya. Smooth talaga yung skin mo, yung mukha. Pang mukha lang ito. So, smooth talaga yung mukha mo pag ito ang gagamitin mo. At saka, yung amoy niya, maganda. Okay lang ang amoy niya. So, I recommend this product. This is very nice for your face, not only for women and also for men, because my husband is using this one and also my brothers. I hope you like this one, and you can leave a comment, you can share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you and God bless you all.